welcome to my cooking show. We're gonna make pumpkin pie. It's my very first one, but my mommy and daddy taught me how to already. So we're gonna need pumpkin, light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. We're gonna use dark brown sugar. We're gonna need eggs, cornstarch, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and ginger, all mixed in together in a bowl like this. You can use a fork if you have a plastic fork like this. And you're gonna need cream and milk and a whisk. And if you have, you can use this kind of spatula to help you scoop, and this spatula to help you put in the pie and stuff. So let's get started. First, we're gonna add the pumpkin.
Sure you scrape it all in.
And scrape it all in to make sure you have a good amount of this. Next, you're gonna add the the dark brown sugar. Ooh, big. You're gonna need 1 cup and 1/4 cup too. And you're gonna add the eggs. And then whisk it all in. And stir it really good to make sure you get even the stuff on the sides. If you have a spatula laying around, you can also kind of help the whisk by scraping the extras. Now we're gonna add the cornstarch, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. And then now we're gonna put in the milk and cream that's already mixed in. It's raining. Now,
whisk it all together.
We whisk it all together. We'll be back after this break. Sometimes you're going to need a dolt for this, but now you're going to pour it carefully in the pie. And make sure you brush a little bit of butter around the edge. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now we're going to set it in the oven to 375
for 55 minutes.
For 55 minutes. And make sure to have an adult put the pie in the oven and supervise. Thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. So, remember when we put the pie in the oven? Here's what it looks like now. Once you let it to sit for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. It should be cool enough. And then there you have a beautiful, delicious pumpkin pie. Make sure to subscribe, click the notifications, and click all. Bye!